Copy any performance with frame-perfect precision. Kling 2.6 motion control lets you transfer a character's actions and expressions onto any subject while keeping the camera and style locked in. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use this. Drop a video that will drive the motion of the output. Drop a reference image that contains a different character. The reference image does not have to follow the same exact posture and composition for Kling 2.6 motion control, which is a great advantage. There are two parameters in Kling 2.6 motion control: match video and match image. These parameters decide the character orientation to follow the driving video or the reference image. Let's try a reference image with a different orientation. We can see that the model adapts to the image and applies the motion to it. Let's try a reference image that is completely irrelevant. The model perfectly adapts and seamlessly transfers the motion. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.